The Chief Minister has started a new fashion of trying to seize an opportunity to make a statement to say that he will not allow religious conversions. Now, such a statement is never backed by any data or statistics that he has ever produced. The whole thing creates a ghost to deviate situations. Burning issues. The most burning issue, as reported recently, is a data compiled by SSA, which is the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, which states that over 200 schools, primary schools, the government primary schools, are single teacher. Now, this teacher has to teach students from 1st to 4th, whether they are 10, 12, 14, plus do his administrative job. This cannot be proper teaching facilities. Now, the question is there a shortage of teachers? No. There are 375 excess teachers at the elementary level. Then why is this happening? The weak policy, transfer policy of this government. Therefore, the Chief Minister should apply his mind here and make statement every time to say that he will not tolerate innocent children, primary children, to suffer from good teaching facilities, which will send a message to every child that every government stands behind them to see that the problem is solved. On the contrary, you see that Goa University now, which was in the 1 to 100 bracket, has gone from now fallen into the 101 to 150 bracket. So instead of giving this warning that you will not tolerate qualifications, education, quality, sliding now, he's talking of something that does not exist, which I call it a ghost. Therefore, I request the Chief Minister to look into this problem and solve it as early as possible.